Good morning! Dito si Zach. Smiling for them. Are you smiling? Dito siya natulog sa tabi ko kasi nga malamig dun. Malamig yung bassinet. Kaya magkatabi kami natulog. Si Daddy. Dito na yung food ko. Basta ulam. Regular diet na ako. Kahapon kasi soft. Today, I think it's adobo. And, ano to, papaya? Yeah, para mapupo siguro. Aray ko. Lumana yung ubi ko, sabi, natanggalin na daw to. Ipapatanggal niya na. Ang tagal pumasok ng nurse. Nakakairita na to. Ayan. Hi. Yan yung vlog ko. Kanina pang madaling araw, up yan eh. Hindi ko lang ma-publish kasi hindi ko maabot. Pero kanina pa siya dapat up. It's ano pala? 7:15. I'm excited to see Zeb. And for him to see Zach. Oops, mukhang pumupupo itong isa. Yes. Why? So, yun. Good morning. Hello. Ayos yung unan eh, no? Minnie Mouse. Hello, baby. You watching mommy eat? I'm eating na the adobo. Ayoko ng kanin ng lata. Tapos, papaya. And milk, which I cannot drink. So, mommy will eat na. Daddy's inside, doing his business. You want to see baby brother? Huh? Boy. Isis, hindi naman ako pinansin.
Who's
that baby there?
Zeb!
Do you have a brother?
His baby brother.
His baby brother? His baby brother?
What's up? Who is that? Oh,
How was that? Kiss baby. Kiss me. How was that? Kiss baby.
Yung daan na si baby.
Okay lang yun. Sit up natin.
Yung daan na si baby.
You love.
Okay.
You love baby.
Careful.
Kiss. How was that? Very good. Good job. Yeah.
Wow, ah. Tinanggal lang yung dextrose ko. Ganito na karaming dulo. See? Hi! Kakatapos na dumede. And we are here by the window. Kasi pinalitan yung bedsheet. Hindi ko alam kung kagabi nagpa-sponge bath ako. Ewan ko kung today pwede na ako maligo. I don't think so. Pero, yeah. Tsaka, ayoko, tinatamad pa ako maligo. Gusto ko magpa-sponge bath. Pero, hindi na ako naka-diaper. FYI. TMI. Kanina tinanggal na yung diaper. So, naka-maternity pads na. Hi guys! It's 12:15 na and kakatapos ko lang pa didehin si Zach. And it's lunchtime. Fish fillet with the tartar sauce, I think. Ginisang sayote siguro yan. Or buttered. Kasi merong corn and green peas. Tapos, I think pumpkin soup. And pineapple. Kaninang umagang almusal. Ay, nakada-vlog ko pala yun, no? Tapos, nagdala rin ng morning snack, which is spaghetti. Pero si daddy kumain kasi hindi siya Filipino style. Maasim siya. Harap. Kain tayo. Si Zeb. Ay, si Zeb. Ay, nako. I will be one of those nanay na mamimix up ang pangalan ng mga anak. Okay, kain tayo. Hi, baby. Yung pupu. Ha? Pang ilan na to today? Third pupu for today na, baby. Good job. Good job. Hi, guys. It's almost 7 o'clock. Ngayon na lang ulit ako naka-vlog. Si Zeb. Si Zach, ayan. Halos kakakalma niya lang. Iyak siya na iyak eh. Ay naman yan, dumede. Anyway. It's dinner time. At, naku. Sus naman yan. Don't cry. We're gonna eat lang, baby, okay? Okay? Parang part ng package is merong parang special dinner for the mommy and the daddy. And kagabi, pwede ko rin i-take, kaso lugi ako kasi kahapon soft diet lang ako eh. Ngayon, regular diet. So, mas masarap ang food. Yung kagabi, ano yung food, daddy? Ganito rin ba? Kahit soft diet ako. Kahit... Ganito rin yan. Akala ko... Anyways, so here's what we have. Ay, may plastic pa pala. Ano to? Parang beef with mashed potato and then salad, mango, and soup. So, pareho kami ni daddy. So, kain muna kami. Hi, guys. It's 8:15 na. And malapit na magpangako sa'yo. So, you know the drill. Parang feeling ko may klila yung vlog ko today. Pero, siguro naman okay lang. I uploaded 2 videos. Ay nga pala, no? So, yung vlog yesterday at saka yung video ng parang proper birth vlog or video for Zach na sinimulan kong gawin few weeks ago. Actually, pero yung mga clips, matagal ko nang iniipon yan kasi I was really planning to do a video. So, yeah. Lalagay ko yung link sa baba if you haven't watched it. Pero, yun yung video before this vlog. So, I'll say goodnight na. Daddy, say goodnight. Bye. Good night, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Good night, Zach. I think uuwi na kami bukas. I think. So, yeah. Makasama na namin si Zeb sa bahay. Good luck. So, yan. Good night. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.